Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to redeem the Oculus gift code. First of all, open up the web browser on your phone. Then tap on the search bar of the web browser. Here, search for Oculus gift code. After that, click to open up its official site. Once you get into its site, tap on Continue with Facebook. Now tap Continue as your username. After that, tap to create a new account on Meta. Then, tap on the Yes Continue button from the bottom right corner. Now, you need to choose your email account and tap on Next. After that, tick the checkbox of I'm interested and tap to create an account. Once you're done, tap on Next. Then enter your account username and tap on Next. After that, select how social you want to be. You can select any of the following options and tap on Review. And now you're done, so tap to finish. Now you can redeem your Oculus gift code. Just by entering your gift code, you can redeem your gift. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.